Welcome back into Good Morning Arkansas. The new year is here, and what better resolution than to improve your home with the weather as cold as it has been these past couple days. Those drafty windows might be showing their true colors, and today we have Jim Draper here from Royal Home Improvement and Royal's Window and Siding as well, and we're talking about some of the things we can do to do that. Make our house a little more energy efficient and prevent the cold air from coming in ourselves. And then the other ones that you say, let's give this guy a call.
Absolutely, Matt. There are things you can do this weekend, and homeowners should do this. Simple things ranging from somewhat gimmicky to these draft busters where you slide in some foam and slip it under your door.
But that could help significantly.
It's effective in that moment. It's a Band-Aid for a long-term problem, but you absolutely should do what you can in the short term. Tons of weather stripping options, which are actually very effective and very cost efficient.
When you say weather stripping, this goes around the window?
These can be applied directly into, say there's a gap where your window won't seal properly. You can force this into that crevice. It stops the cold air from coming in, the hot air from going out. The most common one homeowners will be able to find on the local hardware store shelves and use is a sticky backed foam weather stripping. You can simply peel the length you need, peel the backing off, stick it right in the gap. It's very effective, very cost efficient. It's a great short-term solution.
Another short-term, I'm curious, and I know you don't have this here.
Yes.
What about the little plastic, almost saran wrap, if you will, over the window?
Absolutely. That is great at helping you with a draft. It's of the air movement, but it does nothing to stop the actual interchange of heat and cold throughout the house. A piece of plastic won't stop heat from moving through it.
True.
Very simple. So
smart. So now we move on to the stuff. These are the things.
Absolutely.
We need to call you.
So do these things, put the Band-Aid on, and then go call the surgeon to make a good long-term fix.
Exactly.
At Royal, we use all Thermo King windows. They're all Energy Star approved, Energy Star rated. We custom manufacture every window for the exact opening in your home. So we design a custom energy solution based on a discussion with you and what your needs are, what your home's needs are, and what your budget will allow, and then we install that with a lifetime guarantee.
Expensive? Is this? Obviously, you can make it cost efficient.
It's an investment in your home. The windows are actually going to reduce your energy cost to the point that over a period of time, they'll be free. Wow. It's an incredible opportunity. You will buy brand new windows in your home. You'll either pay the utility company, who will never deliver them, or you'll lower your bill and pay for the windows themselves. You'll increase your comfort, increase your security, your safety. You'll enjoy your home more, the aesthetic, the property value will go up, and you get a custom energy saving solution.
That's super. Let's tell people how we can get in touch with Royal.
Easiest way is www.royalwindows.com. You can find us on Facebook, like us there. We're on social media. Find us at our website. There's tons of information there about home improvement projects in general. And if you want more specific information, you can call us direct at 1-800-760-1419.
All righty. Jim, thank you so much for helping us out here. Keep us